Disinformation can be a threat to our democracy. It can erode trust in elections and democratic institutions. People who try to manipulate us with disinformation often use content that triggers strong emotions such as anger, fear, or excitement. Why do they try to manipulate us like this? And how? Stay with me and I'll show you how to avoid falling into these traps. Content that speaks to people's emotions is much more engaging than dry facts. It's a part of human nature. When we come across messages, pictures and videos, on social media or elsewhere, that speak to our anger, fears or desires, then we want to do something about it. Emotional content is not necessarily bad, but it can make it difficult for us to take a step back before reacting. It tears down our guard and makes us want to click, comment, and tell others. Why is it dangerous? Check out what our expert has to say about it.
Disinformation spreaders know that emotional content engages us. Imagine you're afraid of spiders. If somebody pushes a plastic copy of a big, hairy spider in front of you, your immediate reaction will probably be disgust and fear. Maybe you will even shout out to warn others. For sure, your gut reaction will not be to stop and examine the spider to see if it's real or a plastic one. Disinformation works the same way. Somebody pushes content on you that raises your fear, anger, or disgust in order to provoke a reaction without thinking.
When we feel strong emotions, such as anger and fear, we are more likely to hit the like or share button without checking if the content is true. By doing this, we help spread disinformation to our friends and families. And that's exactly what the people and organizations behind disinformation want us to do. Maybe their goal is to undermine citizens' trust in democracy or in elections. What can you do? Watch out for very emotional content, such as sensational headlines, strong language, and dramatic pictures. Be extra aware of pictures and videos, which manipulates your emotions much more easily than texts. It's easy to create completely fake pictures, completely fake videos with the use of artificial intelligence, the so-called deepfakes. Question what you see and read before you share. Things you would question if somebody told you face-to-face, you should also question online. Would you believe it blindly if somebody told you that they will be handing out money for free in the streets? Approach claims you meet online with the same caution. If something is too bad or too good to be true, more often than not, it isn't true. Insist on facts, even if they may be less appealing at first sight. To recap, emotional content triggers engagement. Check information that makes you feel angry, afraid, or excited. Take a step back. Pause and resist the reflex to react without thinking. Check out our website to learn more about the European Parliament and the 2024 European elections.